Hey guys, so I'm back with a new in on Tuesday. I missed the last few weeks. I was away. I'm back, so that means I have a ton of stuff because there's a couple weeks of stuff that came in. I'm gonna jump right in because a lot of good stuff came in, and I don't have lipstick. Well, I have like the remnants of lipstick on. So hopefully, I think maybe not. I thought there was a lipstick in here. All right, well, the first one that came in was a collaboration, One Size Products, the Wicked collection from One Size. And let me show you because it is so cool. I showed my niece it because we were both excited. Wicked. Ooh, look at this palette. Oh my God. Colors are insane. Absolutely insane. They're very sparkly. I'm gonna have to do, I'll swatch them all, but how gorgeous is this palette? Ooh, it also came with this little, let me open it, brush. Highlight. Ooh, look at that. Look at that brush. It's like 2 levels. This is for this Defying Gravity Spotlight highlighter. Also cute, very cute packaging. Whoa. Oh God. All right, real quick. I need to put some lipstick on. Hopefully there's, whoa. This was also in the box. This is glitter setting spray. I'm slightly afraid to do this, but, oh, is it sparkly? It is. Actually, like the regular setting spray, it works amazing, so that's cool. This PR package came in from Olive & June. I love Olive & June. I like their polishes. Ooh, these 3 little mermaid kind of colors. Look at these. The mermaid effect, the golden effect, and the sparkle effect. These are all top coats and so gorgeous. I will try them on. Trani sent a selection booklet of their protein powders. I've tried the vanilla. I've tried this one, and I like it a lot. You guys, so super clean, good ingredients. I always scan it through Yuka, and this comes up so good. So I've tried the vanilla, and I love it's only 5 ingredients. This is vanilla chai. I cannot wait to try the matcha. I heard about this one, and I feel like it's gonna be really good, and I love matcha. My forehead looks so shiny. And the chocolate. So I will be trying these. Make sure you check my stories to see how they are. I'm very excited for this one. It's Splits59. I love their clothing. All their pieces. They sent some different styles. I have the one piece. You guys have seen it. I did a video with it, and I love it. Everything feels so soft. Oh, look at this little bralette kind of crop top. These are leggings. I love them. I could wear these just on a regular basis, just day to day, not just as regular clothing. That's how soft it feels. I am obsessed. Look at these little shorts. So cute. Yes. Oh, with the stripe. I love this. Oh my God. I am so excited. This is going to be amazing. Love Splits59. You guys, such good quality and so soft. Great for working out. All right, the next one is Dolce Glow. I saw this and I've been wanting to try it. I saw it on their stories. It's their self-tanning Sculpt and Glow. I don't really do a lot of self-tanning. I'm very hesitant all the time. But I saw this and I thought this would be really fun to try. Because I've just started using a bronzer on my forehead and stuff like that. But this one actually tans you and makes it easy. And it comes with this little soft little applicator. So you dot it on. I'll do a little tutorial video. It will give you the tanning and the highlight at the same time. So I cannot wait to try this. Can't wait. Oh, Toops Organics. So this I heard on the Skinny Confidential. This one I actually purchased. Try their deodorant, natural deodorant. I only use natural deodorants, but this one smells really good. And when I heard their whole story, it just inspired me. And you guys know I've been trying a ton of mascaras. They have mascaras. I wanted to try it because it's all natural. Ooh, looks like a nice little brush. Feels nice. I already have mascara on, but I always like to feel nice. And it's natural. Always looking for good, clean products. I showed this the other day that it came in, and I was waiting to share it. This is a brand new product from the Skinny Confidential. I love her stuff. I love the podcast. That's where I found out about Toops. This is the caffeinated sunscreen with SPF 40 in it. And just all her stuff is amazing. I kind of really trust it because I know that she knows what clean and natural. Can't wait to see how this works. Look at the packaging. Oh my God. Is it not the cutest? It is just so cute. It's just so, ooh. Oh, I definitely didn't open it the right way. I don't know. No, I didn't. I like that it's tinted. I like that it's caffeinated, and this will be a good one. Watch that. Oh my God, Skims. Oh my, look at this color. This is a bikini. This is a bikini. What? I only have their like underwear and bras, and the fabric. You know what? I never thought that I would be a Skims, but I'm a Skims girl because the fabric feels amazing. Look at this little, this might be the perfect color pink. I can't wait to wear this. Let's see what this one is. Another bikini, different style, very cute color. I like it. I'm probably gonna look like I'm naked from far away because of the color of this. And this is a different bottom, very cute. One, but not least, Cadence. So these are like little capsules that you can buy to put like vitamins and things in. Look at that. It has my name on it. That's very cute. It's magnetic. So you can buy like all of them and put them all together and pack them in your suitcase or packing cubes or whatever to take them where you want to go. This one has a little like sun, which I think I'm going to say means like your daytime. But how cute is that? I love that they're magnetic because obviously that makes it nice and easy for traveling. And you can put them all together. Very, very cute. And these came in from Mark Fisher. They sent me these for my segments, but they're their new little black sling black shoes. They have these in different colors. They have them in a really pretty purple suede, which is absolutely gorgeous. They sent these because they're like very basic kind of style. I will be talking about these on TV, but they sent a few different pairs of shoes, and these are the latest ones that they sent in. So that's it. That's new in on Tuesday. If you want to see more of it, make sure you watch my stories on Instagram, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.